What's up, everybody? The stock gauntlet continues. Next, we're going to be talking about Mobileye, ticker symbol MBLY. First called this name on October 11th, and we were up 35% since then. We are going to be talking about my high five setup here, and we're also going to be talking about my position size, which my position size right now is about 24,000 shares in this name, and several different options plays sprinkled in here. My plan is to take gains with the options, trickle out of my shares as we move higher and higher, and just based on what my high five setup is telling me, while also holding at least half my position for the long term, as I believe this name could get back up to all-time highs above $40 per share, and further beyond that, as well, as I'm bullish, and I'm bullish on this company and have a bull thesis on their trajectory and where they are going as a company, with a very wide total addressable market here in the autonomous vehicle FSD space. But enough of that. Let's get into where we are at right now with the trade. The trade looks great, everyone. We still have a high five setup. The high five setup, if you are new here, is going to be a charting pattern of some sort. So we had two. We had a inverse head and shoulders. We also had a symmetrical triangle. We broke out of both of those last week, and we have a measured move up to about $20.30 off of that, with a timeline of 91 days, which puts us at beginning of the year. So end of January here. That's where it puts us at for the timeline. We also have a price gap fill at $20.01. We have this nice volume shelf here that we launched off of, and now we are just kind of in, we're still on the tip of the volume shelf a little bit, with a large gap here between $15.60 up to about $20. And then we have another volume gap from $21.80 to about $26. So everything was looking good here on the first two. So next we'll move into our indicators. So our first indicator up here is a MACD. MACD is blue over orange. MACD is the blue line. Signal line is the orange line. And we are in a bullish uptrend. We are also making higher lows and coming out of the gulag of oversold area with the RSI, making higher lows. RSI over RSI moving average, yellow line, bullish indicator rising higher, as well as bottoming out on our stochastic, which I call our trend, and coming up, creeping up here on the weekly chart and weekly trend into the sweet spot, getting very close with an uptrending trend. Furthermore, we have our Williams R, which we have not had our pullback and support created yet. So I'm waiting on this pullback, wherever it may be, to determine where is going to be my support, where I'm going to create my consolidation box at, with its high and low, which the high doesn't really matter. It's your low, which is your support, that really matters, because once we break down out of that support, it spells that the trade might be coming to an end. So I'm waiting still on that. If we go over here to the daily chart, if we draw our box to our low point here, which I would say is good, due to it being here at around $12 or $13. And now, as you can see, we are in this box, bouncing back and forth like a crazy person, bouncing back and forth in an asylum. So we also have a MACD here on the daily chart that's already crossed the zero line, increasing volume, as you can see, and just continuing to be more and more bullish as it's uptrending. And we have an uptrending RSI, but not yet over into the overbought area. I would predict that we will continue to rise here, and get up into the overbought area before we have this pullback and support created on the Williams R. That is my take on where we are at. Everything is still peachy with this name. I am a very happy shareholder right now. I'm a very happy trader right now. This is my largest position. This is the name that I am most bullish on, as trade wise and charting wise, and also as a 10x opportunity. This is number one out of all the stocks that I'm watching. So if you're in this name and riding it with me, that's awesome. Drop a comment below. Let me know. Let me know how much you're up so far. If you're not in this name or planning on getting into this name, let me know. Um, Besides that, drop some love on this video, and get ready for number 4 of 17 coming up next, which is going to be another FSD, another autonomous vehicle name. Yep, you guessed it. Good old Tesla with Elon Musk. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one, everybody.